Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix no audio detected in CapCut PC. So go to menu and go to settings, then you are going to select the performance tab here. Go to sound output and make sure you have selected the right one. So the speaker I use is the Realtek one, or the audio output is this one. It's this one that I use. Or if that doesn't work, go to your Windows volume mixer. Here, select the sound output. Make sure you selected the correct output device as well. And if you scroll down here under volume mixer, make sure CapCut is at 100% or it's not on 0% right now. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Bye.